079
079
21.
check it and inform you, okay, how much the cost and what is the issue.
I don't want to come back and you'd be like, what laptop? I don't know your laptop. What are you talking about? Can I just take a photo?
No, money.
Of it in
You
the
take
shop?
it, your photo and your serial number, anything if you want, you can take the photo. Otherwise, you will not give any proof.
But I get what you're saying, but my thing is, you're a stranger. How can I, if I come back in 2 hours, you could turn around to me and say, I haven't got your laptop. I don't know what you're talking about.
You should be.
All I'm asking is to make sure that I don't want to come back in 2 hours and you say, I don't have your laptop. I'm dropping it off to have it checked. I just want to make sure that when I come back in 2 hours, you're not going to turn around to me and say, I don't have your laptop. That's all. My fear is I don't want to come back and you deny or knowledge. That's all. I don't understand what I'm asking for is too much. Are you ignoring me? Sir, are you ignoring me?
So I have work, you can take it, you go to any other shop, you can sell it there, but it's not worth that one. It's still.
So you don't want to, it's not worth your time? What's warranted this level of rudeness? But you just actively started ignoring me. I don't deserve that disrespect. Would you leave your device with a complete stranger?
If you bring it here, this is the repair invoice.
I'm not asking for that. I'm just asking for like proof of drop-off and proof that I can come and collect it.
If you finish the purchase, we have this invoice. Then we will give you, after that, I will tell you how much the cost and you agree the cost. Then we will give this one.
My fear is I come back and you say I don't have your laptop.
Okay.
But you're a complete stranger. Why would I just hand over my device? There's no need to be that rude and just stop talking, man. I came here because you guys had good reviews. It's like, it's an expensive device. I don't deserve this level of rudeness. Disengage and look at your computer is rude and I don't deserve it and it's not nice. Okay? I'm not just going to hand a device over to a complete stranger because I could come back in 2 hours and you completely deny that you have the computer and I'm left fucked. I'm honestly very disappointed by your customer service today. What is your name, sir? Please may I have your name?
Mingos.
Pardon?
Mingos.
Mingos.
Yeah.
I'm going to write a review online. And have a good day, sir. You rude man.